Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many users are searching for the traditional Outlook menu within the new Outlook experience, and it's important to understand it's not present in the same familiar way. The classic menu bar, with distinct tabs like File, Home, Send/Receive, Folder, and View, has evolved significantly. New Outlook embraces a more streamlined, web-centric design, which means features are organized differently. The functionality you'd typically find under the File menu, such as Account Settings, Options, and General Preferences, is now primarily located under the Settings gear icon. You'll find this important icon prominently in the top right corner of your Outlook window. Clicking it opens a pane where you can manage most of your personal and application settings. Other common menu actions are now integrated directly into the simplified ribbon interface that spans the top of the application. This ribbon still features tabs like Home and View, but their appearance and the commands within them are updated for clarity and ease of use. The left navigation pane is crucial for moving between your core Outlook services like Mail, Calendar, People, and To Do. Below these, an Apps section offers quick access to other Microsoft applications. If you need to manage your folder list visibility, simply click the three horizontal lines icon, often called the hamburger menu, located in the top left corner. This toggles the folder pane open or closed. Essentially, New Outlook distributes menu functions across these key areas: the settings icon for preferences, the ribbon for contextual commands, and the left pane for navigation. This modern layout aims for a cleaner interface, making functions more accessible where and when they are needed, moving away from a single, overarching menu.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.